Hi, you're watching Grace's Adventures YouTube channel, and today's adventure is Moel Siabod. Just set off on our climb of Moel Siabod. It's my 9th mountain a month and it's 872 metres. We're going up a grade 1 scramble, so it's going to be a pretty fun one.
Wait, how high is it?
What?
How high?
872 metres.
Fuck that!
I actually thought you were being serious. Just started our scramble up the side of Moel Siabod. Pretty bouldery. I've never done anything like this before, so it's kind of fun. The summit right over there. Yay! I'm so happy. Heading down now. It's pretty steep, and we've been going for, well, we're 6.5 miles in now. So my feet and my legs are pretty sore. Look at these views. Sam's coming from up there. This is the first time I've been in front because I took a head start. So we've just finished our climb of Moel Siabod. It's been a really long one today. It's been 9 miles that we've just hit. My legs don't feel like they work anymore. It's a very fun mountain. I would definitely recommend it. Would you recommend it?
I would. I definitely would.
It's a really good first scrambly kind of mountain because I hadn't done that much scrambling before and I really enjoyed it, as difficult as it was. And we're finished. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did enjoy it, please subscribe. I've got 3 more mountains to go in 2020, so wish me luck. Well, we've just finished. Ooh, is that an owl? We've just finished our.
Yeah. So when the. Oh, sorry.
So we've just finished our. Okay, I let you do yours. Let me do mine. We've just finished our.
You know the.
Oh my god! That was so annoying.